Hi family and friends, Johnny here. Want to plant another seed of hope in your heart today out of Philemon chapter 1 verse 6. There's only one chapter in this short book, but in verse 6 it reads that the sharing of your faith may become effective by the acknowledgement of every good thing which is in you in Christ Jesus. That the sharing of your faith may become effective by the acknowledgement of every good thing that is in you in Christ Jesus. Sometimes we strive really hard and we work to share our faith and we work to produce results in ministry. And Paul is saying that the sharing of your faith will become effective as you acknowledge every good thing that is in you in Christ Jesus. Oh, and there's a lot. Believe me, there is a lot. Begin to acknowledge what Jesus has put in you. And as you meditate on Christ in you, the hope of glory, watch how much more effective you are in sharing your faith. God bless you.